Ready, 3, 2, 1, go.
It's match 44 and all three robots and both sides are moving. Looks like that should be a 15 on both sides. And we've got a gear successfully delivered by 5499, the orangutans. They've got an autonomous gear, and so do the Blue Alliance, delivered by the Warrior Borgs. That's all tied up at 75-75 at the end of autonomous mode. Those gears worth even more. Those spinning rotors worth more in autonomous. But both teams completed that difficult task with success. I see another gear already in play on the Red Alliance. Airship, that's another rotor going for the Red Alliance, pulling ahead to 115. We've got the same thing going on the blue. They've got two gears in their queue, ready to get their second rotor going. There's the spin, and there's the second rotor started up on the Blue Alliance, so they're tied back up at 115 all. It's a game of gears. Looks like 4990. They had a gear, but they've just lost it onto the field. Looks like they're going to go back to their retrieval zone to try to grab another. Let's see who can get the next gear in play. That's a third rotor for the Red Alliance. They already got enough gears, that third rotor going, pulling them ahead to 155. That's another 40 points. But it looks like the Blue Alliance isn't far behind. I see the Warrior Borgs delivered one more gear. Only one more needed by the Blue Alliance to bring it up to 51-55 all. Already 49.90. They've got another one in their machine, loading it up onto the davit. They're trying to get their final gear chain on the move in the remaining 55 seconds. 8-12, the Midnight Mechanics, they deliver a gear to the Blue Alliance station. There's three rotors all, bringing it back up to 155 to everybody in the remaining 44 seconds. Let's see who can complete that final gear chain and who can climb aboard in the final 30 seconds coming up. Looks like 54.99. Bay Orangutans, they've got another gear on the davit, successfully loaded up to that airship. They may just get their final rotor at an extra ranking point. They only need two more gears. Can they do it in 30 seconds? Pilots releasing their ropes now. Warrior Borgs, they are ready for departure. Over on the Red Alliance, they're trying to finish off that final gear train. That's one more gear placed by the Red Alliance, so there's only 13 seconds left. Who else is ready to fly? 28.54. The prototypes, they're on board. So is 8-12. The Midnight Mechanics with 4 seconds remaining. 49.90. They're trying to climb up, but they didn't quite make it in time. Very exciting end of the match. Let's see, the airships took flight. Looks like the Blue Alliance came out ahead with all three of their robots on board. It's the Blue Alliance with 3:05 and the Red Alliance with 2:05. Those final robots as they climbed aboard.